Yes, Bitcoin is coming down. Is it the end of the bull market? Of course not. I explained at length, like when gold and silver was coming down last 48 hours, people got scared, and it does affect all the asset class. And crypto is an asset class. We trade as an asset. We don't use crypto as a payment method most of the part, or I mean like most part of the world we don't use it. Yes, in Thailand, some part of Tokyo, maybe like very small places in the world which does accepted as a payment method. Other than that, we trade as an asset class. And the way we have seen gold, silver crashed, we cannot put through into words. If I tap on silver, and if I do open the graph, can you, and it's affected, like Bitcoin got affected because of that. And that's always happened. But Bitcoin is like the resource is limited. How much supply we have for Bitcoin right now? If I tap over here, we have X amount of supply. Max supply, how much? Can I show you? Max supply, we have 21 million coins. Just that. And in circulating, we already have 20 million coins. Like over here, we can see. So with time, the demand gonna be for Bitcoin, we cannot put through into words. For sure, like not for sure, let's put this way, because I'm posting this video out on the internet. Possibly it's gonna be bigger than gold, silver. I'm expecting 10 times potentially by 2027 for Bitcoin. If that happens, all the altcoin possibly can make the top. All the altcoin gonna break their previous top. Yes, everything dropped, but right now the way altcoins are coming down, that doesn't mean they won't recover. We need one solid news. Right now the narrative is like little panic, like, oh, this is happening, probably like we're gonna see a war, or maybe like, so there are so many like negative narratives going on. The ambience is like little like low right now. People are afraid, things are uncertain mostly. But after a month, people are gonna like forget what really happened by far. Did you get what I mean? It's a matter of time. Let me put this way, it's a matter of time. Let's talk about Bitcoin now, how things are playing out, what are the support levels we have. Guys, hold on, before we move forward in this video, I don't know how many of you have actually joined my VIP. I have a VIP where I describe patterns for learning. So we discussed Bitcoin when like it dropped, and from our support level today, when we check, nicely moved up. So if you really want to like learn from real life examples, I have been doing for 12 years now. This is my full-time profession. Am I afraid? Of course not. I made my life out of financial market, and every day I do it. Like, you will come across my content I'm putting every day. So if you genuinely want to learn and want to like evolve with time in the best possible way, because experience does matter a lot. Like without experience you might have a doubt. But yeah, I have a VIP. Just DM me, I'll add you. I haven't given like an update just an hour back, not an hour back, 3 hours back from now. Just DM me, I'll add you into my VIP. Let's come back to the topic, man. We'll talk about Bitcoin, we'll talk about altcoin, everything. This is going to be a complete dedicated video on the market, man. Let me open over here. Yes, and there's a huge possibility we might sell, like we might see a sell-off again, because this is this gap we have. So $60,000 possibly, like, yeah, this is like one of those levels we have. 76 we do have over here, 74, 75 we do have. But the way things are right now, like the way gold crashing, silver, like other metals, I mean not like metal industry is specifically crashing, and that will like somehow affect the Bitcoin as well. And if that is the situation right now, we might see a more sell-off from this point. So yes, as long as we are above $60,000, we all are technically bullish in Bitcoin. And because how things been by far, like it was like one of the most interesting level earlier, went up, took the support, made the top. This time I would say yes, we do have $74,000. If in case, like, there are like two levels to watch out. We have 74 over here, 74, 75. We have this, and we have 60. So let's see which one it does hold. We can see, because previously from this point it made the top, and historically what we have seen from the previous top, from the previous like level where we had most number of people who were interested in the project. I mean this one, let me just clear this. Over here most people were interested at one point of time, so this might reflected again as one of the biggest support. So if that happens, we might see a all-time high from this point, which is very less likely because market is little down, but it's still a bounce back is like most likely we'll get to see in upcoming days. Let's hope for the best. I'll update you about that. But yes, let's put this way, we have two interesting levels to watch out, 78 and the other interesting level 60. And as long as we are holding these two levels, we are safe. Market is still bullish, and potentially I'm expecting a big rally in 2026, a new all-time high potentially in Bitcoin. We'll get to see. Let's see, I'll update you about that. Time will tell. What about the other altcoins? All coins are bleeding. I texted something, not I posted on X, and yeah, the amount of pain that people are feeling right now, altcoin caused people deep pain. Yes, and the pain they cannot put through into words literally, which we, yes, it's heartbreaking. That's the fact. Like, so that's the situation that like people are going through right now. Like, the way altcoins are dropping, it's painful, of course, but then like the positive side when we get to see, shock the entire world. So let's hope for the best. I'm positive, man. Yes, time is bad. Time, like, right now the way things are, it's like little uncertain, but no issue about that. We will expect a new all-time high in upcoming days. Potentially for Bitcoin, I'm expecting by 2027 $1 million potentially. Yes, let's see. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day.